Hello there, culinary buddies. In this video, we will talk about basic refrigeration. Refrigeration, culinary buddies, is the process of removing heat from one substance and transferring it to another substance. For example, in our air condition at home, the basic idea is to absorb the heat from the room that has normally an ambient temperature of 26 degrees Celsius and transferring it outside your home. And by doing so, it will cause you lower temperature inside your area. But how is transfer done to produce cooling and heating effects? In refrigeration system, we have the principles of heat transfer. These heat transfer culinary bodies have just three things to keep in mind. First, heat energy cannot be destroyed. It can only be transferred to another substance. Like in our previous example, heat energy has never been destroyed to achieve cooling effects. Heat has been transferred outside the room. Second, heat energy flows from a higher temperature substance to a lower temperature substance. So, to achieve this indoor unit should be cooler than the room temperature in order to have a heat transfer. Also, the outer unit should be hotter than the outside temperature so that the heat temperature coming from the room will be easily transferred outside. Remember, hotter temperature flows to lower temperature. This will be done through compressor. I will explain to you briefly in some other videos. On the last one, heat energy is transferred from one substance to another substance by one of the three basic methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. So conduction. Conduction is a kind of heat transfer when the heat traveled along the metal. For example, if you put a spoon in a boiling water, the spoon will eventually get hot, even though the handle is outside the pot. Heat is conducted along the spoon handle. So conduction is the process of transferring heat through solid. Convection. Heat flows in a stream of air or liquid that is hotter than what is flows over around. For example, a blow dryer generates a stream of heated air to dry hair. So the hair is heated by the process of convection. Convection is the process of transferring heat as the result of the movement of the fluid. Radiation. Radiation is the process of transferring heat by means of electromagnetic waves emitted due to the temperature difference between the two objects. For example, if you are near on a fire, you can feel the heat of the fire through radiation. An interesting thing about radiated heat is that it does not heat the air between the source and the object. It only heats the object itself. So what do you think, culinary buddies? Which principles is applied in our simple air conditioning at home? Just comment your thought and I will discuss the answer on the next video. So these things, culinary buddies, are some basic stuff you need to know about refrigeration. In our next video, we will talk about how simple air conditioning works at home. If you learned something on this video, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. Shout out to Ivan Asignacion and George Philip Vito. Job well done, guys. Thank you for watching and keep supporting my channel. Until next time, culinary buddies.